In hot weather, the increased proliferation of bacteria can indeed lead to body odor issues, and many people experience dizziness due to inhaling these odors. Here is our solution. This fan features a turbo engine, providing a high-speed core of 13,000 revolutions per minute and a wind speed of 14 mph, blowing out cold air to reduce bacterial growth that leads to clogged pores, skin inflammation, acne, and odor issues. No traces of sweating, no embarrassment. With replaceable batteries, it can operate 24 hours a day, ensuring cooling whether you're hiking, working on a construction site, in the kitchen, or at an outdoor music festival. This high-powered fan will undoubtedly keep you dry, comfortable, and refreshed for extended periods.